Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to tag someone in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in and download the of course Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Teams if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the activity, the community, the chat, and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar, which is located in the very top of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and tag someone in Microsoft Teams. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, tagging someone in Microsoft Teams is an efficient way to get their attention, and here's how to do it. Go to the chat or channel where you want to tag someone. So basically we're here in the chat, where you can type a message. Then type @ so you need to type the @ and followed by the person's name. From the drop down list that appears, select the name of the person you want to tag. Continue typing your message and press enter to send it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.